We're going to start off the night with a nice little slow song for a very good friend of ours who's just passed away, Mrs. Janie Gordon, and she was a beautiful lady, and we're going to do this song as a tribute just for her. Thanks, George.
By my suitcase, I'm trying to find a warm place to spend the night. Doesn't run off the train, seems to sing a sad refrain to the night. It's a rainy night in Georgia. Such a rainy night in Georgia. Hey, I believe it's raining all over the world. I believe it's raining all over the world. Neon lights are flashing, taxi cabs and buses, they're passing through the night. Just a morning on a train seems to sing a sad refrain to the night. It's a rainy night in Georgia, such a rainy night in Georgia. I believe it's raining all over the world. I believe it's raining all over the world. How many times I've wondered, but it still comes out the same. No matter what you think of it, you still got the same thing. I'm in place in a boxcar. I'll take my guitar and I'll spend some time. Late at night, when it's all red, I'll press your picture to my chest, honey, I feel fine. It's a rainy night in Georgia, such a rainy night in Georgia. I believe it's raining all over the world. I believe it's raining all over the world. It's a rainy night in Georgia, such a rainy night in Georgia. I believe it's raining all over the world. I believe it's raining all over the world. It's a rainy, rainy night. It's a rainy, rainy night. I believe it's raining all over the world. Raining, raining, raining night. It's a rainy, rainy night. I believe it's raining all over the world. I believe it's raining all over the world.